How to replace the heatsink. Before you begin, remove the base cover, I/O frame, bottom shielding, wireless LAN module, system board, and fan. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Remove the 4 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Lift the heatsink off of the processor and remove. Replacement. Using an alcohol swab, carefully remove the thermal grease from the heatsink and processor. Apply new thermal grease to the processor. Inspect the thermal pads. If one is torn or otherwise damaged, it needs to be replaced. Align the screw holes on the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and place the heatsink into position. Replace the 4 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order.